Today on Panic Props, we're going over caution tape. Caution tape can be gotten at any safety warehouse or your Halloween supply stores, such as this caution tape here. You can use it for a variety of different decors for around your house or haunt site. Such as here, it's covering up the stairwell I'm on. You could also use it for a doorway, have an actor hiding behind it, jumping out at people. Some other options are you could use it just as a standard caution tape, taping off areas, keeping people out, or making them want to go in. And you could also put it on some windows as like a curtain, or just the covering over top of the window to keep people from seeing in, or keep them from seeing out. Could have an actor peeking through it, or one of those animated props, have it pull the caution tape back, peek out, and hide behind it again. So very easy to work with. This particular caution tape I got for 9 cents for a 20-foot roll. So plenty of it around. That was an after Halloween special, so I always look for those, 75% off. I mean, can't go wrong. 9 cents, come on. But yeah, very easy to work with. 20-foot roll, again, these ones were. You can get them in longer rolls, especially from the safety stores. Various wording on each one. And then this one's just hooked up to a dowel rod, so I just kind of cut off the lengths I needed, taped them to the dowel rod up above me, and taped that above the doorway. Can't see the dowel rod because I wrapped the tape, actually spun the dowel rod, and I wrapped the tape up so I could actually shorten or lengthen the length of these tapes. So works really well. Can't see through it. Easy covering for where you don't want people seeing, or where you want to have them see after somebody jumps out. So good deal. Really easy to work with. Here I am just to show you the other example. There's a window behind me here. The curtains are open to allow for the caution tape behind me here to go over top of the window. It is a decently sunny day out. You don't see any light coming through. You can't see outside through those. It's a perfect covering for over top of that window. If you had somebody stand there pulling those aside to peek out, they will flow back as long as you don't have them on the floor. So that's another thing to be cautious of, is not to have them dragging on the floor so people aren't tripping, and so that they're not getting tied up together and knotted, and then they'll be grabbing people's legs or arms. So other than that, yeah, it works really good for a background, a backdrop, I suppose, for people taking selfies or for photo shoots. And got your window covering, got your door coverings over there, and there's plenty of uses for them. And if you can get them for a discount, a deal after Halloween, or just hit your supply store up for a large roll, you usually save by the more you buy, so that's great. Again, just use a dowel rod, some painter's tape I recommend, especially if you tape into the wall or anything that could be damaged by any other sort of tape. You don't want like a duct tape pulling the paint off the wall or something, but painter's tape, good deal for that. And you can always recycle them too if you want to change your mind. Come right off the dowel rod, reuse them. Always reuse. So there we go, some ideas for you dealing with caution tape, and not using it as a caution tape, but decor ideas. Hope you enjoyed. Always like, share, subscribe. This is Panic Props. Have a good day.